Hello mga best friend and good morning. So for today's video guys, kay mamahaw ta and atong sudan diri natay daing, natay kangkong with tofu and then longganisa. So as you can notice, ang ato ang layout sa ato ang video karon is landscape. So um, I'm trying to change the layout of my videos because I'm planning to upload this to my mini YouTube channel. Nag-vlog na pod ko dito, no? So I'm gonna upload this, and usually ang recommended or preferred nga layout is pa landscape gid siya. So I'm trying to do this layout in my succeeding videos, pero of course kay wala man tay kuan masinot unta natay DSLR or GoPro, kay dili na kayo effort ba nga magkuan nga i-change nimo ang layout sa imuhang kuan, ituad-tuad nimo imuhang videos, pero lagi wala pa man tay budget. We're still trying and starting from the scratch, though we already have a couple of videos nga na-upload na nato, but of course we'll still gonna try to experiment, no, kung kuan. So far kay recommendable pa man ang ato ang account sa Facebook, but gamay ra kay akong views sa ako ang YouTube channel, kay lagi kay mini vlogs pa man siya, and at the same time wala pa kay subscribers. But of course masinat man gid nga mag-upload lang ta, sige lang upload. I know that as of this time kay wala pa man kay ko nagputog effort like kanang all in. I'm just trying to upload whatever videos I have taken, any activities that I have done, every day. So kana siya, and then somehow nakakuha ako mga inspirations from the videos that I have seen sa Facebook or mga short videos sa YouTube. Definitely I'm still experimenting, still trying out things, kung it depends on what's going to work for me. And even right now I'm still trying to right now I'm in Pampanga, and then I'm trying to really enhance my Tagalog speaking dialect or language, whatever you may call it. But here in the Philippines, I think that's our first language. So I'm still trying to learn na to sound more natural, because kita mga Bisaya, if magtagalog ta kay it's still obvious that we are not from Luzon. We are from Visayas or Mindanao. But some of us kay murag naanad na diri, so murag natural ra kay sa paminawon. But sa ako kay I'm still trying, tinatry ko pa po na mag speak po ng Tagalog instead of Bisaya, so it can reach wider audience. So yun lang po. So for now is more on videos lang ta, mga random videos a day in my life. So maro to siya guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. God bless.